Now, as the Pacific region marks 40 years since the adoption of the South Pacific Nuclear Free Zone Treaty, Solomon Islands has issued a strong call for renewed global commitment to nuclear disarmament and accountability for wartime legacies. Prime Minister and Chair of the Pacific Island Forum leaders, Honorable Jeremiah Manele, made the call when delivering his statement at the 80th United Nations General Assembly meeting in New York recently. He said the impacts of nuclear testing and the unresolved dangers of World War II unexploded ordnance, UXO, can be found across the Pacific.
Madam President, Solomon Islands reaffirmed its strong commitment for the total elimination of nuclear weapons. This year, the Pacific celebrates 40 years since the adoption of the South Pacific Nuclear Free Treaty. The Pacific has been used to test weapons, store nuclear waste, and discharge treated nuclear water. We see the scars of nuclear impacts and will remain the world's strongest advocates for a world free of nuclear weapons. Unexploded ordnance from World War II remains a threat to our communities, people, and obstruct development. Solomon Islands would like to acknowledge the United States, Japan, and Australia in disposing World War II UXOs and carcinogenic substances buried in our land and seas left behind from World War II. This is the cruel reality of a war we never chose, yet whose scars we continue to carry. Justice demands that those responsible accept their duty to help heal the wounds they left behind. And it is only by standing better together in solidarity, with shared responsibility and compassion, that we can finally close this painful chapter of history and build a safer, more just future for our people.